How to fix Boss Simulator Indonesia application not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if the Box Simulator Indonesia application is not working. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, ensure that the application have its required permissions in your mobile device. So in order to check for the permissions, you have to navigate to the Boss Simulator Indonesia application, tap and hold on it, tap on App Info. Once you land on its App Info, tap on Permissions and make sure you have allowed all of the necessary permissions for the application. Tap on it and then tap on Allowed. Now once you have done that, go back and check whether the application now works properly or not. If still not, then you can clear cache of the application. For that, again navigate to the application, tap and hold on it. Tap on App Info, here tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, it will help you remove all of the glitches or bugs from the application that may help you solve your problem. Now you can close this, restart the application and check whether the problem is now gone or not. If still not, then make sure that the application is up to date. If the application is missing out any updates, then the application may not work properly. So to check for the updates, you have to open up the Google Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Boss Simulator Indonesia and make sure that the application is up to date. If the update is available, install all of the available updates and then go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.